Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see question number 2 and 3 of exercise 12.1 of class 8th. Chapter 12 is completely based on the topic exponent and powers. Its first video you will see on my channel, you can see on my channel. Question number 2 is simplify and express the result in power notation. So firstly we have to simplify whatever is given and express the result in power. Okay, the answer will be in the power notation with positive exponent. So answer will be in the power but with the positive exponent. Its first one is minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8. You can simply see here we have minus 4 in the base and here we have minus 4 in the base. It means base is same. So same base having different power, a is to power m and a is to power n. When it will come in with the division, so on that time power is subtracted. So a is to power m minus n. So same identity, same law we will apply here. Base is only single time, 5 will subtract minus 8. Simply you can see base will remain same, 5 minus 8. Here positive plus minus is minus. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 is the greater number and it is having negative symbol. So negative symbol will come in the power. Now we have negative 4 raised to the power minus 3. Now what we will do? Simply new law, which is if a raised to the power minus m, on that time for exchanging this minus into positive we will simply shift numerator in the denominator. On that time a raised to the power positive m will come in the denominator having 1 in the numerator. But one condition, which is a will never be considered as 0. So here we have a as a minus 4. So this minus 4 as it is go in the denominator having power negative 3 will change into positive 3 and here we have 1. So this is the answer. We will not solve it because the question is already asked result in powers. Okay, so this is the answer of first of second. Second one is 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 whole power is 2. So this can be solved using the identity when we have a by b. The whole power is m. So this m will go firstly near to a in the power, then this b will go when m will go near to b in the power. So same when we open the bracket, 2 will go near to 1 and this 2 will go near to 3 in the multiplication. Okay, in the multiplication from the identity, which is when we have a raised to the power m and whole power is n. So we will have a raised to the power m multiplied by n. This 2 identity we will apply here. This 1 raised to the power 2 and this 2 raised to the power 3 already here. When 2 will come near to 3, so it will come in the multiplication. So here we have 1 raised to the power 2 and 2, 3 2s are 6. So in the power 1 raised to the power 2 is 1 and 2 raised to the power 6 will be the answer of second question. Third one is minus 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 5 by 3 whole raised to the power 4. So simply we will open the bracket. This 4 will go near to 5 in the power as well as in the 3. So identity a by b whole power is m. So a raised to the power m and b raised to the power m. So here 5 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4. Here we have minus 3. So should I write minus 3 in the form minus 1 multiplied by 3 and the whole power is 4. In the bracket when we multiply 3 into minus 1 again we can get minus 3. So same identity, which is a multiplied by b, the whole power is m. So this m will go near to a and m will also go near to b in the power. So now here this minus 1 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4, and already here we have 5 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4. Here upper side each and every term is in the multiplication with each other, and downside we have near in the 3 raised to the power 4 we have 1, and here also we have 1. Here it means that when negative 1 raised to the power 4, it means minus 1 is multiplying by each other as 4 times. Now 3 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4 is here. So when base is same, okay, base is same and the powers are here, so powers will subtract each other. So here 3 raised to the power 4 minus 4 multiply by only one thing is remaining, 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, now simply minus minus plus, so this minus to minus plus, this minus to minus plus. So on the place of 1 1 what we have 1. Here 3 raised to the power 4 minus 4 is 3 raised to the power 0 minus 5 raised to the power 4. Now simply here we will apply the identity a raised to the power 0 is 1, where a will never consider as 0. It means 1 as it is. On the place of 3 raised to the power 0 what we will write 1 and 5 raised to the power 4. So what is the answer? Answer is 5 raised to the power 4. Fourth one is 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10 multiplies by 3 raised to the power minus 5. When you see the question very properly, you can see simply the base of each term is 3. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. So starting 2 3 is in the division, and after doing the division the last 3 is multiplying by the division answer. So you can see we have the property which is a raised to the power m when divided by a raised to the power n. So simply what we are doing? Simply we are doing a raised to the power m minus n. Its opposite we are doing in the case of multiplication. When we have a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n, on that time our powers are adding with each other. So base is same. That's why we are writing 3 only one time. So whatever is going on, simply that is going on in the exponent. So in the case of division, we will apply this. So minus 7 minus of this, then minus 10. Okay. Now after division, multiplication term is here. So for the multiplication, multiplication is starting from here. So in the first power, first power is completed here. In the first power, second power is adding. So plus minus 5. Okay. Now in the exponent we will simply open the bracket. Minus minus is plus, plus minus is minus 5. Now 3 raised to the power minus 7 as it is. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 3 raised to the power minus 7 minus 5. So minus plus is minus. 7 minus 5 is 2 with negative symbol. So here in this line, in this case we will apply the identity, which is when we have a raised to the power minus m, on that time for removing this minus symbol, a will go in the division with positive exponent. So same here we will get 1 by 3 raised to the power 2, which is the answer of fourth one. Fifth one is 2 raised to the power minus 3 multiply by minus 7 raised to the power minus 3. Simply you can see the base is different but the power is same. So in this case, when we have the base is different but power is same, so what we are doing? simply we will take the power in the common and the base will multiply each other. So same, 2 and minus 7 will multiply each other and minus 3 will come in the common. So 2 7s are 14 with negative symbol having the power minus 3. Now here we will apply the identity a raised to the power minus m, which is comes in the denominator with positive exponent, but a will always consider as never be 0. So this minus 14 will come in the denominator having positive exponent. So this is the answer of fifth one. Now question number 3 is find the value of. Its first one is 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 multiply by 2 raised to the power 2. Here we can apply here a law, and this term also can be solved using the law, which is when we have a raised to the power 0 it will be 1, and when we have a raised to the power minus m, so this negative exponent will change into positive, then it will go in the denominator, but in the both case a will never be equal to 0. Okay, here a is 3, it means 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. In this case this 4 will come in the denominator having 1 in the positive exponent, and 2 square is 4. Okay, simply we will solve this bracket using the cross multiplication. Here we have 1, so 1 4s are 4, 1 1 is 1, and in the denominator 1 into 4 is 4, and multiply by 4. Here 4 plus 1 is 5, and then in the denominator we have 4 which is having power of 1, multiply by 4 which is having power of 1. Here we can directly reduce it, okay, but we have the identity law, which is a raised to the power m when it will divide by a raised to the power n, on that time in the power m minus n. Using that law we are doing it. 4 raised to the power 1 minus 1, which is 5 into 4 raised to the power 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0. It means 5 into 4 raised to the power 0. By using the identity it will be 1, and 5 1 is 5, which is the answer. Second one is 2 raised to the power minus 1 multiply by 4 raised to the power minus 1, then it will divide by 2 raised to the power minus 2. You can see the first and the and one is having the same base, but this is the 4. So can we change this 4 into 2? Yes, we can change this 4 into 2 using the LCM. 4 is 2 can be divided through 2 times, and 2 can be divided by 2 1 time. So 2 is coming 2 times, so 2 square. On the place of 4 what can we write? 2 raised to the power 2. So on the place of 4 what we are writing? 2 raised to the power 2, and already 4 is having the exponent of minus 1, so minus 1 will come here. Okay, so 2 raised to the power minus 1, and the remaining one is as it is. Now simply power of power, it means here we are applying the identity, which is a raised to the power m, whole power is n, which is a raised to the power m into n. So here 2 raised to the power minus 1 multiply by 2 raised to the power 2 into 1 is 2, but having negative symbol, divide by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Now starting 2, you can see in the multiplication, in the result of starting 2, this division 2 raised to the power minus 2 is here. You can simply see here we have the same base in each term. So in the starting 2 we can apply the law, which is a raised to the power m multiply by a raised to the power n. So here we will add the powers, and when we have a raised to the power m, divided by a raised to the power n. On that time the powers will subtract. It means in the starting 2 the power will add, and in the result of starting 2 the ending one will subtract. In the form 2 minus 1, base is same, so powers are adding. So addition of this law, but here the power is minus 2. So minus 2 will come here. Now in these two we can subtract the last exponent of the base, which is minus 2. So from this division, because of this division, minus n is minus 2. So minus of the law and minus 2. Simply we will open the bracket. 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus minus is minus. Here plus plus is, sorry, minus minus is plus 2. Now we have 2 raised to the power minus 1 only, because minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2 and plus 2 reduce each other and nothing will be here, only minus 1. Now using the identity a raised to the power minus m, we can shift this negative into the positive by shifting a raised to the power m into the denominator. So here simply 1 by 2 raised to the power 1, which is as 1 by 2, the answer of the second one. Now the third question is 1 by 2 whole power is minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole power is minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole power is minus 2. You can simply see all are having the subtractive exponent. So this subtractive exponent will change into positive when we change the numerator into denominator and denominator in the numerator. So denominator is already in the numerator, and now this a raised to the power minus m will go in the denominator having the positive exponent. So this 1 will go downside and 2 will go upside, but now the exponent is positive. Here 3 will come upside, 1 will go in the downside having positive exponent. Same as here, 4 will come upside and 1 will come downside having positive exponent. Simply 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1. Okay, now 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1. Simply when you add them, you will get 29, which is the answer of third one. Fourth one is 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 5 raised to the power minus 1, and the whole power is 0. Here simply we can apply the identity when a raised to the power 0, which is 1. Okay, directly we can write here 1 by using the identity. Okay, but firstly you can simply see, for the practicing you can do when we have exponent in the negative. So for changing this negative, we can simply shift base with exponent in the positive, so that our exponent will come in the positive, where a will never consider b as 0. So simply we are applying this identity inside the bracket. So 3 will come in the denominator, this 4 will also come in the denominator, this 5 will also come in the denominator, having the altogether power as 0. Okay, you can simply see all are non-zero because all are positive. All are positive. You can simply solve for the practicing by using the LCM method if you want, or you can simply write when a raised to the power 0, on that time we can write the answer is 1. Only one condition which is given as a is never be equal to 0. Here we can write directly as 1 because we seen all values in the positive. If any value is in the negative, so we will solve them. Is it any 0 condition is there for the a, for the base? But all are positive, so nothing will be 0 in the case of base. Now the fifth one is minus 2 by 3, power is minus 2, whole power is 2. So 2 times power is there, so we will simply solve using the identity which is a raised to the power m, whole power is n. So simply powers will multiply each other, so a raised to the power m multiply by n. So simply we will do same here, minus 2 by 3, whole power is minus 2 multiply by 2. So what we will get here, minus 2 by 3, whole power, 2 2s are 4 and minus. Simply you can see the exponent is negative, so firstly we will change this exponent in the positive term. So by using the law which is a raised to the power minus m, which will change as in the 1 by a raised to the power positive m when base is never be 0. So simply you can see the base is not 0, so this 3 will come upside and negative 2 will come downside, having the positive exponent. Now we changed. Now 3 raised to the power 4, by the identity we can write here a by b, whole power is m, so m will go near to each one of them like in this form. So this 4 firstly go near to 3, then it will go near to 2. So it means that 3 will multiply each other 4 times, as well as negative 2 will multiply each other 4 times. So minus to minus positive, minus to minus positive. When you multiply this starting 3 3s are 9 and these 3s are 9. So 9 9s are 81. Same is here, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So 81 by the 16 is the answer of fifth one.